Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today for you a 2010, I believe it is, Bobcat 48-inch angle broom for your MT52 55, 463 S70, 50 new MT85. This broom is in decent condition. It's not welded or busted, but you know, it's got typical paint lift from doing sidewalks, but it's not rotted out. Some cracks in the top shield. Poly brush is probably about 50%, but they're not very expensive to replace. Bearing, drive motor, everything there is good. And it does very easily manual angle, so everybody can see that. Because we'll have somebody will ask us, hey, does it even angle? Well, there it is, fellas. I can't be any more truthful than that right there. So again, poly brush, Bobcat brand. There's two little cracks here in the top hood cover. It is colder than a bugger here today, and we had 5 inches of snow last night. We're just doing a couple of videos. Bobcat 48-inch angle broom, 2010 model, very basic. I'm going to go ahead and we'll sweep with it here for you so you see that it works. If you have any question on this 48-inch angle broom, let us know. You can see it works really nice. If you got sidewalks, driveway, any type of application you just need to broom off, they really do work nice in the snow. Also, do have an MT52 here for sale. Any questions, 814-658-3066. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.